I'm Brendan McCourt. I'm a producer, director and journalist. I work in both documentary film and I also work in virtual reality and augmented reality. I was delighted to find out that Melania is using virtual reality as a tool with her patients to help them. Virtual reality is a way of creating a new reality that immerses you in a three-dimensional environment that you can explore and interact with. It's limited only by your own imagination. You can create anything in that universe. It is being used now as a tool in health, in education, and even in storytelling. Big Hollywood productions are looking at how they can use virtual reality as a way of really creating an environment that completely immerses people in the story. For health, they're using it at the moment to really help people with phobias. For example, fear of heights, fear of spiders. And also they're using it for people who've suffered post-traumatic stress disorder. They've come through very stressful situations and it can help them to come to terms with what they've gone through. With education, it's certainly been used very positively as a tool to help people to learn better. It's very visual and it's interactive, and scientifically it's been proven to really keep that experience in your mind for longer and keep those memories for longer. So really it's really a tool to help people. So I've already been working in virtual reality. I've made a documentary about young people and Belfast peace walls. And I've also made an interactive CGI experience working with women, and where they interactively knock down Belfast peace walls and create something new in a shared space. So I was delighted and excited to find out that Melania and I are on the same page. She's very innovative and she has already been looking at virtual reality as a tool to help her patients. So hopefully we will collaborate on some really exciting projects together in the near future. In virtual reality, there's software you can use called Tilt Brush, and that allows you to create what you see in your mind in 3 dimensions in virtual reality. You can draw it yourself and you can change it in any way that you want. And for a pioneering psychotherapist like Melania, it's great to see that she's using this groundbreaking technique and technology to help her patients.